So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new project in the CapCut app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the edit menu, and here we just tap on new project, and then we select some pictures or some footage. Let's say some photos. Like this, we can add them, and they are going to be here, and afterwards we can just start editing with these options available. But yeah, for now that's pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.